Hi teachers, welcome back to Easy Lesson Hub, where we make every lesson with ease. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a classic word search game to engage your ESL students. Let's dive in. So, what's word search? It's a puzzle activity where students look for hidden words in a grid of letters. The words can appear horizontally, vertically, diagonally, and even backward. It's simple, interactive, and highly customizable to fit any lesson theme. To play word search, here's what you'll need. A printed word search grid for each student or group, highlighters or markers, a timer, optional. You can use online tools to create your own word search puzzles. Here's how to run the activity in your classroom. Warm up. Start by introducing or reviewing the target vocabulary. For example, show flashcards or play a quick guessing game to make sure students are familiar with the words. Explain the rules. Hand out the word search and explain the rules clearly. For beginners, you might want to show an example on the board to demonstrate how to find and circle words. Set a challenge. Divide students into pairs or small groups for a collaborative challenge. Set a time limit to make it exciting. Check the answers together. Once time's up, go through the answers together as a class. You can even make it interactive by letting students come to the board and circle words on a large version of the puzzle. Here are a few tips to make word search even more effective. Monitor students to ensure they're engaged and not frustrated. Encourage teamwork and communication. Use it as a quick review at the end of a lesson or as a fun warm-up activity. And that's how you can use word search to energize your ESL lessons. It's an easy and adaptable activity that your students will love. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Easy Lesson Hub for more creative teaching ideas. And hey, let me know in the comments. What's your favorite way to use word search in the classroom? See you next time.